Hey guys, how you doing? It's Will. Hope you're all doing all right. Hope you're all doing really well. Hope you had an amazing New Year. Hope you had an amazing Christmas. I had one of the most amazing Christmases I've had for a long time. I spent a week in New York and then flew back to the UK for Christmas Eve, and then just spent that with friends and family, just playing games and everything you should do for 12 days. So for me, Christmas finished yesterday, which was awesome. So hope you had a similar experience. This is just a really quick message. Haven't made a video for a while. I wanted to really talk about the kind of feeling out there at the moment. The world, the media seems to be a difficult place to live in. There's all sorts of theories, all sorts of agendas, and clearly all sorts of government policies coming in that aren't really favourable for the masses. So I really wanted to give a message of hope, actually, because what I can feel as a world empath, so to speak, I've never really known what to call myself. All I know is that I'm going through a very strong process spiritually, and I can kind of feel things out there, whether good or bad energy. And in the last month, I have felt incredible energy from solar activity. And with that has been a lot of kind of light energy, you call it, with significant realizations for me and what some people call downloads. And really, Christmas came at the right time for a lot of people, because the story of the resurrection is actually, I believe, your resurrection. And so a lot of people that I spoke to this Christmas have come to that realization that the resurrection story that you see everywhere is actually the story of you. And so it's your spirit awakening, and that cross and Jesus being on that cross, not denying Jesus' existence or how powerful the spiritual event was of his life. But I think what he wants us to believe was we could all resurrect or ascend, or whatever it is you want to call it, to go into a higher form of ourselves, of which, to be fair, I've gone in and out of for the last 10 or 12 years. But 2025, I think, is going to be a year of transformation for us all. I'm thinking flow is going to happen a lot more for a lot of us. I started feeling it in December. Amazing flow, just with practical things in life. And I think that's going to be a year for a lot of you. So if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling strange symptoms, it could be the energy out there, solar activity doing that. I know that solar activity for empaths causes a lot of fatigue, a lot of EMF sensitivity to unnatural man-made radiation. And so do bear that in mind, but also keep reading stuff that resonates with you, keep learning. Trauma release is a big thing for us all. I'm going to be doing more content on that. I've learned some amazing skills in 2024 of effectively how to do that. And it really is a chip away solution for trauma release. You've got to chip away at it. Don't try and do too much too soon. But imagine all the times you've been scared and angry that you've stuffed away somewhere in your body. Well, they've got to come out for your spirit to get larger and bigger. And so other things I want to mention for 2025 is I've been working heavily with a company called MasterPeace, which is also known as Human Consciousness Support. I've become their testing facility for hair analysis, which is really exciting, because they're willing to test their product on every client that comes through the door for them. They've given clients heavily discounted product if they're willing to do 2 hair analysis to see how it affects the body chemistry. That's really exciting. They're all great guys, and I'm really looking forward to working with them and looking to 2025 and see how that really affects people's hair results, because essentially hair analysis is what I am, what I've become online. Obviously the name Mineral Man kind of gives that away, and so that's only going to continue. My 2025 resolution is to try and get more online, because I have so much useful stuff to say, which could really help you guys, energy-wise, health-wise, grounding, as I said before, trauma release, what to do. But I revolve my work around hair analysis because I feel it's the best tool. It's the most cost-effective tool, which kind of indicates systemic stuff within the body. on intracellular level. So that's what I do. I'm working with a lot of companies around the world now, a lot of clients around the world, which is really great. And I'm very proud of what we do, because we're just trying to constantly help people remineralize, get better, expand their spirit, strengthen their shields. But when you find yourself going into that rabbit hole of fear regarding whatever it may be that you're watching or reading regarding what's going on with the world, just know that light energy is coming down, that I like to call a universal Christ consciousness is coming down to our planet as well. And that is more powerful than anything you can possibly imagine. So stay strong, stay open, look out for the flow. If you need our help, we're here. And I wish you a fantastic 2025. And I look forward to speaking to some of you soon. Bye for now.